श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय जय हरे नाम संकीर्तन की जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय
राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय
राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी
जन बल्लभ गिरिवरधारी
गोपीचल वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी
यशोदानंदन व्रज जनरंजन
यशोदानंदन व्रज जनरंजन
यशोदानंदन व्रज जनरंजन
यशोदानंदन व्रज जनरंजन
यमुना तीरा बनचारी
यमुना तीरा वनचारी
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे
जय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
जय गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
Om Jnana-timirandasya Jnananjana-shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayana Namaskritta Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Mudire Nasta Prayashu Abhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Sloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naistiki. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Jai Jai Grantaraj Srimad Bhagavatam ki Jai. This is Srimad Bhagavatam, 4th Canto, Chapter 22, Prithu Maharaj's meeting with the Kumaras, and text number 51. Phalam Brahmani Srinasha. Phalam Brahmani Srinasha. Nirvishangaha Samahitaha Karmadhyaya Samcha Mandana. Atmanam Prakteha Param. Atmanam Prakteha Param. Krishna. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada. Maharaj Prithu completely dedicated himself to be an eternal servant of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, transcendental to material nature. Consequently, all the fruits of his activities were dedicated to the Lord, and he always thought of himself to be a servant of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is the proprietor of everything. Krishna, in this important verse, actually, Prithu Maharaj has completely dedicated in the devotional service of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna, and he surrendered all the fruits of his activities, and he always thought of himself to be an eternal servant of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna, who is the proprietor of everything.
Hare Krishna, purport. The life and dedication of Maharaja Prithu in the transcendental loving service of the Supreme Personality of Godhead serve as a good example of Karma Yoga. The term Karma Yoga is often used in Bhagavad Gita, and herein Maharaja Prithu is giving a practical example of what Karma Yoga actually is. The first requirement for the proper execution of Karma Yoga is given herein. Phalam Brahmani Shanasya. One must give the fruits of his activities to the Supreme Brahman, Parabrahma, Krishna. By doing so, one actually situates himself in the renounced order of life, Sannyasa. As stated in Bhagavad Gita, giving up the fruits of one's activities of the Supreme Personality of Godhead to the Supreme Personality of Godhead is called sannyasa.
Actually, here Prithu Maharaj is actually regarded as the pure Karma Yoga. Actually, in Bhagavad Gita, it is stated that one who surrenders all his fruits of action will be regarded as a sannyasi, as a perfect sannyasi. So we often find this word Karma Yoga in Bhagavad Gita. So therefore, actually Prithu Maharaja actually completely dedicated himself in the devotional service of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna. So he is considered as actually Grihastha Sannyasi.
To give up the results of all activities is called renunciation, tyaga, by the wise, and that state is called the renounced order of life, sannyasa, by great learned men. Although he was living as a householder, Prithu Maharaja was actually in the renounced order of life, sannyasa. This will be clearer in the flowing verses. The word Nirvishangha, uncontaminated, is very significant because Maharaja Prithu was not attached to the results of his activities. In this material world, a person is always thinking of the proprietorship of everything he accumulates or works for. When the fruits of one's activities are rendered to the service of the Lord, one is actually practicing Karma Yoga. Anyone can practice Karma Yoga, but it is especially easy for the householder who can install the deity of the Lord in the home and worship him according to the methods of Bhakti Yoga.
In Bhagavad Gita, I think everybody knows, it is stated that actually giving up the fruits of action is called renunciation, and any person actually who comes in that stage is in the renounced order of life, sannyasa. So according to this actually system or formula. So Prithu Maharaj was actually considered as a perfect sannyasi, because he had given up all the fruits of his action. So for this reason, so Prithu Maharaja actually he could spend his life so peacefully actually by the devotional service, by doing the devotional service of Lord Sri Krishna.
These methods of Karma Yoga and Bhakti Yoga are being broadcast all over the world by the International Society for Krishna Consciousness. Anyone can learn these methods simply by following the examples of the members of the society. In one's home or in temple, the deity is considered the proprietor of everything, and everyone is considered the deity's eternal servant. The Lord is transcendental, for He is not part of this material creation. The words Prakritiha Param are used in this verse because everything within this world, this material world, is created by the external material energy of the Lord, but the Lord Himself is not a creation of this material energy. The Lord is the supreme superintendent of all the material creations, as confirmed in Bhagavad Gita.
So according to the instruction of Bhagavad Gita, actually we can render service to the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, actually by keeping a deity or a statue of transcendental form of actually Sri Radha and Krishna at our home, and we can start our rendering devotional service at the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord. So actually in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna promised that in the chapter 9, text 22 text, Anasritaha karma phalam, actually anennas cintayantamam je janaha paripasate tasam nitya bhiktanam yoga kesmam bhamiyam. So in this verse, Lord Krishna said that actually any person who worships in his transcendental form with love and devotion. So Krishna said to whom he will carry what they lack, and he will preserve what they had, what they have. So Lord Krishna actually promised to provide any necessary things to those devotees or to those persons who worship Lord Krishna actually with love and devotion. So we can even offer even a leaf, even a flower, even water, and even a fruit. So again in the text number 26, Krishna promised that, so anyone who offers me with love and devotion, even a leaf, even a flower, even water, and even a fruit, I will accept it. So actually Lord Krishna, out of love, had given us the easiest formula, easiest systems or methods for serving Him.
This material nature is working under my direction, O son of Kunti, producing all the moving and unmoving beings, and by its rule, this manifestation is created and annihilated again and again. All the material changes and material progress taking place by the wonderful interaction of matter are under the superintendence of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna. Events in the material world are not taking place blindly, but if one always remains a servant of Krishna and engages everything in his service, one is accepted as Jivan Mukta, a liberated soul. Even during his lifetime within the material world, generally liberation takes place after one gives up this body, but one lives according to the example of Prithu Maharaja, is liberated even in this lifetime. In Krishna consciousness, the results of one's activities depend on the will of Supreme Person. In all cases, the result is not dependent on one's own personal dexterity, but is completely dependent on the will of the Supreme. This is the real significance of Phalam Brahmani Sannasya. A soul dedicated to the service of the Lord should never think of himself as the personal proprietor or the superintendent. A dedicated devotee should prosecute his work according to the rules and regulations described in devotional service. The results of his activities are completely dependent on the supreme will of the Lord. Hare Krishna.
So as a conclusion of this verse is that actually any person who spends his life by dedicating himself in the devotional service of Lord Krishna is considered as Jivan Mukta, I mean a liberated soul. So actually Prithu Maharaj is the vivid example of this of this liberated soul. So here actually Lord Krishna mentioned in Bhagavad Gita that he was situated in the heart of every living entities. So actually in this connection, my spiritual master, Dr. T.D. Singh, His Holiness Srimad Bhakti Swarup Damodar Swami Sripad Maharaj told that the soul or Atma is actually is doing interaction with matter. He is going on interaction with matter through the agency of actually Paramatma, that is Super Soul. So actually the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna, actually out of love, he control us. He control us by living in our heart as the Paramatma. So actually we are really indebted to him. So actually we should try our best to love him, and we should try our best to satisfy him, since he was the supreme father of us and supreme protector of us and supreme well-wisher of us.
इसी तरह भगवान हम सबको इतने प्रेम करते हैं कि भगवान ने ये शास्त्र और भगवान की दूत यहाँ पे भेज के हम सबको ज्ञान देने के लिए यहाँ पे अपना भक्तों को भेजा, और हम लोगों ने उसे स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर मान के उसकी सेवा करके हम लोग भगवान के धाम तक फिर से वापस जा सकते हैं। और भगवान हम सबको इतना प्रेम करते हैं, इसका एक और एग्जाम्पल है कि भगवान खुद हम सबके हृदय में परमात्मा के रूप में हमेशा रहते हैं। इसी बात से भी हम सबको ये मानना चाहिए कि भगवान हम सबको कितने प्रेम करते हैं।
So in this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told that actually we are the eternal servitor of Lord Krishna. So the duty of human beings is to serve Krishna. Since we are inseparable part of Krishna, our inevitable duty is to serve him and to satisfy him.
भगवान चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने ये इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है कि हम सब भगवान की इटर्नल सर्विटर है। सो हम सब का प्रथम ड्यूटी ये बनता है कि हम सब भगवान की सेवा करें।
So in this connection, actually my spiritual master also told that the most important and prime duty of human beings is to inquire about spiritual self and actually inquire about the transcendental activities and pastimes of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So without this desire, actually we shall remain in material consciousness, and in that material consciousness we shall remain frustrated.
इस सिलसिले में हमारे गुरुजी हिज होलीनेस भक्ति स्वरूप दामोदर स्वामी श्रीपाद महाराज ने भी ये इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है कि मनुष्य होने के नाते हम सबके सबसे पहले प्रथम ड्यूटी ये बनता है कि हम सब स्पिरिचुअल सेल्फ भगवान के बारे में जाने और भगवान की लीला कथाओं के बारे में जाने। अगर हम सब ये सब जानना नहीं चाहते तो हम सब इस माया के चक्रव्यूह में बंद के रहेंगे।
So my central point is that actually if we like to achieve permanent happiness in this life, so it is compulsory needed for us to inquire about the transcendental pastimes and activities of Supreme Lord, and ultimately actually we should surrender ourselves at the lotus feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna. So unless we take shelter at the lotus feet of the Supreme Lord, so it is very difficult for us to achieve success in life.
इसीलिए सेंट्रल पॉइंट यही है कि हम सब अगर हैप्पीनेस प्राप्त करना चाहते हैं, खुशी पाना चाहते हैं, तो हम सब भगवान के चरणों में जाना पड़ेगा, भगवान की सेवा करना पड़ेगा। तभी ही हम सब हैप्पीनेस मिलने के साथ साथ जीवन में भी सफलता प्राप्त कर पाएंगे। हरे कृष्णा। इसी बात के साथ आज के लिए सबसे विदाई चाहूँगी। हरे कृष्णा। थैंक यू।